Let me show you how simple it is to share your favorite memory poster and cards. You come down, click here. We're going to start with the memory poster. Now you can choose this in an 8x10 that would fit perfectly into an 8x10 picture holder, or you can make it an 8.5x11, which is a full sheet of paper. We're going to go ahead and choose this 8x10. Click the purple button. And on these, it's pretty simple. You're just going to go to your uploads. You're going to click and drag over your picture of your loved one. Double click, backspace, put down your loved one's name, and that's it. This one is done. And you come up here and share, download. We're going to use the drop-down box, go for PDF print, best for printing, flatten your PDF, and then download. And let me show you what happens when you open this up. And there you go. That's what your poster would look like. Okay, so if you're going to send it off to a printer, you would push the download button and then send that file to your printer. If you're just going to print it at home, you would just print it. And that's it for that one. Now to do your memory cards, I'm going to start with the 2-up. This is one that you could do at home. So choose your template, and basically this is done as it is. Unless you want to make any kind of changes, these are done. I set these up on an 8.5x11 sheet so that you could print these at home if you wanted to, and then you would just cut right along this little center piece right here and cut it in two, and then you have your own cards. You can put this on cardstock, you could put it on regular paper if you like, or you can send it off to your printer. And in either case, share, download, choose PDF print, best for printing, flatten it out, and download. And then again, we're going to open this up, show you what this looks like. So this is what your share memory cards would look like. And as I said, you would just cut right along the center here if you're going to be printing them at home. And if you are, you just print here and then cut in half. If you're sending it to the printer, you would download, send this off to your printer, and then they will print it for you. And that's it. Hope this helps. And I'll see you in the next module.